lot of phosphorus in the water. It's a shallow lake, so it's really going to be hard to make any great strides. But this problem keeps continuing. I've looked at the past historical data on it and everything, and it goes back to the 70s. So it is, and what will happen is the moving algae will actually go out, it'll skim out almost to where these islands are formed right now, where they're situated. And it really becomes a smell issue. It's really something you don't want kids, you don't want dogs, you don't want animals, nothing actually swimming in this water.
Hey everybody! So one way that's being experimented on to see if we can remove all this excess nutrients is called floating islands. These are being produced by the company Midwest Floating Islands, and University of Minnesota is also helping experiment to see if they work or not. Basically what happens is they are fiber matrices made from recycled plastic, as you can see here. We plant aquatic plants on top, and then the roots of the plants grow out the bottom of the fiber matrix. Basically what that's supposed to do is the plants are supposed to take up all this excess nutrients that are causing these algae blooms. The plants take that up, remove it from the water, but at the same time, the plants are also providing habitat for fish and for aquatic organisms. So Midwest Floating Islands has asked us to look at 2 specific variables on helping make the islands more realistic. One of them is to help deter geese, so we'll be going through that in a minute. And we're also looking at comparing 3 different planting methods. So first we're going to go through the process of planting them, and then we'll get into the experiments that are happening.
Capsules, I guess, that have about 150 seeds in them, and then they'll dissolve in water, so then the seeds are released. We're trying them because the seeds like blow away easier when you just throw them on, so we're hoping we can just throw capsules on to like replant it.
They've done better.
The transplants have done better.
Okay.
It's harder to replant them because you have to like bring the island in and like replant them, or do them over the side of the canoe, which can be dangerous depending on how deep water you're in. With capsules, we could just like toss them onto the island.
My name is Aisha Qureshi, and we're here at Treasure Island Casino, and we're here working on a project for Midwest Floating Islands. So this project is basically looking at geese teetering. We had a project down in Fleming Island, and after the transplant, some of the geese started eating up the plants, which is kind of devastating for Midwest Floating Islands. So we figured out a couple designs, and 2 of the designs we have here is bramble islands. So we put a bunch of sticks together and put it on top of the island. The other island we have is a bamboo island, so we staked a couple of bamboos on top of this island, kind of equidistant apart, and then we have one control island to see, kind of compare the 2. We primarily use the control island to see how effective our designs are, and so far the control island has lost a lot of plants, so about half of the plants are gone, compared to the Brambles Island, which is only 2 of the plants are gone, and then the bamboo island's about maybe 7. The only problem with the Brambles Island is that it does kind of mitigate any growth. that is like maybe if it's a little bit too shady, then there's not as much growth as compared to the bamboo island. There is a lot more growth.
We also have a drone we might use to try to take pictures of the islands, especially the ones we're not bringing close, since those ones will be hard to get before and after pictures of.
Monitor like geese activity, where we saw some turtles last time when we downloaded the photos. Kind of cool because it's trying to create a habitat for them.